What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to remove image backgrounds for free. So imagine the following scenario. We need to turn this picture into this picture so I can play with the background, okay? But I don't have the Canva Pro, so I don't have this option right here, the BG remover. How to solve this into a simple, fast, effective, and totally free way. This is what I'm gonna learn to this video, but before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us. After this, go to the left side of menus on Canva, or go to the bottom if you're using the mobile app and search for the apps option. Click on it, then search for background, just like this, and go to background eraser. Go to the first option, this one right here. Then you need to upload the file, okay? So there's no chance that you can select the file. You need to choose file, open it from your computer. In my case, it's gonna be this one. Click on remove background. Wait while the process happens. I will not cut the video so you can see the time that it actually takes, okay? And here is my image without the background. Now, of course, I can play with the background itself. For example, applying some custom background style, just like this. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I see you guys later. All the best.